Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to add two photos in Instagram story. So first, open your Instagram app as you can see on your screen right now. And then to create your story, all you need to do is just swipe to the right and it will open up your Instagram story. Now to create a story, tap that to A right here at the left side of your screen. And then right here, as you can see, you can change the color if you tap this circle at the bottom right. And then, for example, I want this color. Now to add the photos on your story, just tap that sticker icon at the top. And then you'll find a gallery icon or this icon right here, the circle one right here. And you can now add a photo. So for example, I want this one, photo of my car. And then here you can also change the position. So for example, I want to tilt a little bit on this photo and right here. And to add a photo again on a story, you just tap again that sticker icon at the top right. Then again, tap that gallery icon right here and then choose a photo to add on your story. And finally, you have now two photos in Instagram story. So you can also change the position or you can tap this to change the shapes of the frame. So that's how you basically add two photos in Instagram story. Thank you for watching. Please consider to like and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.